Today we want to learn how to design customized calendar using Excel. So we already have these templates, and what we are going to do now is we are going to automate some of the process such that we can switch between months, we can switch between years, and get the right information on the calendar. I'm going to select this. Then navigate to Data. Then select Data Validation. From here I'm going to select List, and for my source box, I'm going to just type in the months, from January to December. So after this, I'll just click OK, so this automatically creates a drop-down for me. I can select. I can switch between months. We will do same for our year also. So I'll just do the same, depending on the number of years you want to input here. So I'll just start with 2025 to 2030. Then I'll press this. So this also give me a drop-down. For the dates, I'm going to use sequence function. I can either use date value, or I can use month value for my calculation. But for this, I'm going to select my month value. Then I will type in equal sequence. Then I'll put 6,7, that's for the row, and column we are filling up with end date. Select the year, then month, then the weekday date, and month such that it auto-calculate and change once we switch month or year at any point. +1. Then I will close up my function formula and press enter. My sheet is already formatted. For some, it will show some numbers. Just highlight and change the format to custom, then enter D. And then you'll be able to have it the way I have it now. We will proceed to conditional formatting so that we can have the date from other month to gray out. This allows us to be focused on each month at a time without distraction. So I will proceed, highlight this, and go to conditional formatting, create new rules. And I'm going to use this and enter this formula. Once I'm done with this, I'll click Format to change my color to gray colors like this. Click OK and close up the pop-up. So all of the dates of other month are grayed out that extend to the month I am currently on. That's what we just did. So we have this so I can switch between month and year. So it's automatically changes based on the year I'm working on. So that's how to design a customized calendar with no stress.